Subtraction. Subtract 3 digits from 3 digits. When subtracting bigger numbers, there are different methods you can use. Chunking from low to high. 228 minus 135. We start with the smaller number and work to the bigger number. 135 to 140, that's the next 10, equals 4. Then we move from 140 to 220 in jumps of 10. This is 80. Now to get from 220 in units to our final number, 228 equals 8. Now we need to add them all together. 4 plus 8 plus 80 equals 92. Or we can do it in columns. 486 minus 235. Line the numbers up in the right columns. 486 minus 235. Start in our columns. 6 minus 5 equals 1. Then 8 minus 3 equals 5. Then 4 minus 2 equals 2. We have a total of 251. We may need to break into the higher column. 538 minus 149. Write the numbers in our columns. And then we subtract. 8 minus 9. We can't subtract 9 from 8, so we need to exchange one of the 10s from the higher column and bring it over, so we exchange one 10 for 10 ones or units. Now we have 18. 18 minus 9 equals 9. Into the next column, 2 minus 4. We can't take 4 from 2, so we need to exchange 1 from the hundreds to 10 tens. Now we have 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 equals 8. And finding the hundreds, 4 minus 1 equals 3. So it's a total of 389. Read the question carefully to understand what it's asking you to do. A school has 388 boys and 319 girls. How many more boys are there? What's the question asking you to do? Take away 319 from 388. 388 minus 319. We can move up in smaller chunks, starting with the smallest number and working to the bigger number. 319 to the next 10 is to 320, and that's 1. We move up in units to the nearest 10. Then from 320 to 380, moving up in tens, is 60. And then from 380 in units to our final number, 388, equals 8. Now we add them together. 1 plus 60 plus 8 equals 69. There are 69 more boys than girls. Sometimes the information is in a picture. What's the missing number? What's the question asking you to do? Saying 116 plus something equals 222. So we find out what is 222 minus 116. In our columns, 2 minus 6. We can't do, so we exchange one 10 for 10 ones. Now we have 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6 equals 6. In the tens, 1 minus 1 is 0. And 2 minus 1 equals 1. So the missing number is 106. Some questions have units. Matt has a carton of 850 millilitres of orange juice. He pours himself a 343 millilitre glass. How much orange juice is left in the carton? What's the question asking you to do? Take 343 millilitres from 850 millilitres. We can just do the numbers and add the units at the end. 850 minus 343. 0 minus 3 we can't do, so we exchange one 10 for 10 ones. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Now the next column, 4 minus 4 is 0, and 8 minus 3 equals 5. So the answer is 507. Don't forget the units, it's millilitres. There is 507 millilitres left in the carton. Sometimes there are more steps involved. Sally bakes 245 cookies. She sells 189 and eats 25. How many cookies does she have left? What's the question asking you to do? How many cookies have been sold and eaten altogether? 189 plus 25. So let's work this in our columns. 189 plus 25. 9 plus 5 is 14, so we write the 4 and carry 1 forward. 8 plus 2 plus the 1 carried forward is 11. We write the 1 and carry 1 forward. And then 1 plus the 1 carried forward equals 2. So the total that have been sold and eaten are 214 cookies. Now we need to take this away from 245. 245 minus 214. We can chunk from the smaller number. From 214 to 220 is 6. Then from 220 to 240 it's another 20. And from 240 to 245 is another 5. So that's a total of 6 plus 20 plus 5, which is 31. So Sally has 31 cookies left. Remember, when subtracting bigger numbers, we can use a chunking method and work from the smaller number to the bigger number. Or we can use columns. Read the question carefully to understand what it's asking you to do.